Right, medium pressure tightness testing. So standard tightness testing, nice and easy. It's 4 minutes long, 1 minute let by on the ECV, 1 minute temperature stabilization, and in 2 minutes the actual tightness test. The let by is done at 7 to 10. The temperature stabilization and the tightness test is done between 20 and 21. So once you've done that, that's fine. But on medium pressure, we've got a bit more of a problem. Hopefully, when we do this out in the real world, there is an ECV here, and then you just do that tightness test that I've just run through for that one. But because this one doesn't have it, we're going to have to do it the long-winded way. So first things first, what I will do is make sure the gas is turned off. I would then open that up and let any pressures out, and then make sure there's no pressure in that bit there. The UPSO, under pressure shut-off device. Right, then I connect my U-gauge. Then, whilst I've got my hand here up to the biting point and a little bit more, like you're controlling the clutch of your car, I would then let some gas through to my system. Again, let by is done between 7 and 10, and it is for 1 minute, but you've got to hold that there for that full minute. It can get a little bit hand cramped, but don't worry. If you get your hand in the right position, you don't tend to notice it. So after that minute, you can let go, like so. You don't need to do anything else. Then you'd let a little bit out of there. So this is now full of gas. This may have gone from 7 to about 8 millibars on here. That's still fine. As long as it's between 7 and 10, we're good. And then I time it for another minute. This is a let-by test on the UPSO, the under pressure shut-off. Once that has been done, as long as there has been no increase in pressure of either of them, we can move on to the next bit. Whilst we could check the ECV on low pressure, if the gas pressure does go up, we are not allowed to check these ones by removing the anaconda or on the UPSO to make sure which one's letting by. What you'd have to do is phone up the national grid provider and get it fixed, even if that means you're waiting for them to come out. Once we've done the 2 let by tests, we can then move on to temperature stabilization. This time though, we only go up to 18 to 19 millibars when we top it up. But again, before we do that, the U-gauge is still connected. What I do is disconnect that bit there, let the gas out, and then make sure there's no gas still in that bit there. Then back to that off. So that's now turned off. U-gauge is still connected up to the biting point and then a little bit more. Then I let the gas through up to 18 millibars. By the time you get to about 16 millibars, you will feel this has gone loose because that has reset itself. Then you can let it go. On that is at 18. We then time it for 1 minute for temperature stabilization. If that stays as it is, we leave it again and we then do the tightness test for 2 minutes and pray there is no gas leaks. Once you've done that, it's all good. We can then turn the gas off, make sure the gas is turned off at the ECV, disconnect our U-gauge, make sure the gas is back on, making sure my low pressure shutoff is back into the on position, and you LDF everything that you have disturbed. Hopefully that'll help you. Any questions though, let me know. So just remember, normal tightness test is 4 minutes, medium pressure tightness test, 5 minutes. 2 let-by tests at the beginning, one on the ECV, one on the low pressure cutoff, and then you got your temperature stabilization, and then you got your tightness test. Right, thanks very much. I hope you find it useful. As I say, let me know if it is. I'll see you when I see you.